Two girls were miraculously rescued from Texas floods after they were discovered clinging to a tree 30 feet up. 3 days after flash floods in Texas killed at least 69 people, two girls were miraculously saved when they were discovered clinging to a tree that was almost 30 feet high. The two were discovered in Comfort, Texas, in Kendall County, about 15 miles outside of Kerrville, where the Guadalupe River flood on Friday claimed the lives of 59 people. After being discovered hanging to a 30-foot tall tree, two girls were saved. According to Kerr County Lead, 4 other bodies were discovered in the same vicinity as the girls who were saved. According to local officials, there have only been 2 other recorded deaths in Kendall County.